Hello friends, this video is for 10th standard. Name of content is a trigonometric ratio. Suppose this triangle is a triangle X, Y, Z. In the triangle XYZ, angle Y is 90 degree and let angle Z is theta. Then about the theta XY is there. Opposite side about the theta YZ is the adjacent side, and about the theta xz is the hypotenuse. Then the six basic ratios are: sin theta is equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is equals to xy upon xz. Then cos theta is equals to adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is equals to yz upon xz. Then tan theta is equals to opposite side upon adjacent side, that is xy upon yz. Then cot theta is equals to inverse of this one, tan theta's inverse, adjacent side upon opposite side, adjacent side yz upon xy. Then sec theta is equals to hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Hypotenuse is the xz upon adjacent side is the yz. Cosec theta is equals to hypotenuse upon opposite side. Hypotenuse is a xz upon opposite side is a xy. In previous video we studied about 1 upon sin theta is equals to cosec theta. 1 upon cosec theta is a sin theta, and sin theta into cosec theta equals to 1. 1 upon cos theta is a sec theta. 1 upon sec theta is a cos theta, and the product of cos theta and sec theta equals to 1. 1 upon tan theta is a cot theta. 1 upon cot theta is a tan theta. Means tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. Also we know that 1 is equals to sin into cosec, 1 equals to cos into sec, and 1 is equals to tan into cot. Then study about sin theta divided by cos theta. What is sin theta upon cos theta? What is sin theta? xy upon xz divided by cos theta is a yz upon xz, that is equals to xy upon xz into the inverse of yz. Here division convert into multiplication, then taking reciprocal of yz upon xz, that is xz upon yz. What is cancel here? xz get cancel. What is remains? xy upon yz. What is meant by xy upon yz? Here xy upon yz means sin theta upon cos theta is xy upon yz, and xy upon yz is equals to tan theta. So the sin theta upon cos theta, that is equals to tan theta. Formula number 16 is sin theta upon cos theta is equals to tan theta. Next formula is cos theta dividing by sin theta is equals to, what is cos theta? yz upon xz divided by sin theta. Sin theta is a xy upon xz, that is equals to, first ratio is as it is, yz upon xz, division is converted into multiplication, taking reciprocal of the second ratio, xz upon xy, xz upon xy. What is cancel? Xz get cancelled. What is remain? xyz upon xy. Okay, means what? Yz upon xy. Which ratio is equals to y? Means cos theta upon sin theta is a yz upon xy, and yz upon xy equals to cot ratio. Therefore cos upon sin, therefore cos theta upon sin theta is equals to cot theta. This one is a formula number 17. The next is cosec theta upon sec theta. What is cosec theta? Xz upon xy. Dividing by sec theta is a xz upon yz. Then xz upon xy as it is, division convert into multiplication, taking reciprocal of the second ratio, that is yz upon xz. xz gets cancelled. What is remains? Yz upon xy. What is yz upon xy? Yz upon xy. Here yz upon xy means cosec upon sec, that is cot theta. 18th formula is cosec theta upon sec theta, that is equals to cot theta. Then sec theta upon cosec theta. What is sec theta? Xz upon yz. Divided by cosec theta, xz upon xy. First ratio as it is, xz upon yz. Division change into multiplication, taking reciprocal of the second, xy upon xz. What is cancel? xz get cancelled. What is xy upon yz? Here sec upon cosec is a xy upon yz. And what is xy upon yz? That is equals to tan theta. Means sec theta upon cosec theta, that is equals to tan theta. And this one is the formula number 19. ओके, ये सब फॉर्मूले याद रखने की सिंपल ट्रिक. साइन कॉस टैन, यहाँ कॉट, टैन अपोजिट इज कॉट, कॉस अपोजिट इज सेक, और साइन के अपोजिट क्या लो? कोसेक. पहले 6 बेसिक रेशो तो हमें मालूम है. साइन थीटा इज अपोजिट साइड अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस, कॉस थीटा इज एडजेसेंट साइड अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस, टैन थीटा इज अपोजिट साइड अपॉन एडजेसेंट साइड, कॉट थीटा इज एडजेसेंट साइड अपॉन अपोजिट साइड, सेक थीटा इज हाइपोटेनियस अपॉन एडजेसेंट साइड, एंड कोसेक थीटा इज हाइपोटेनियस अपॉन अपोजिट साइड. Then 1 upon sin theta is equals to cosec theta. 1 upon cosec theta is equals to sin theta. Sin theta into cosec theta, that is equals to 1. 1 upon cos theta equals to sec theta. 1 upon sec theta equals to cos theta. And cos theta into sec theta equals to 1. 1 upon tan theta is a cot theta, 1 upon cot theta is a tan theta, and tan theta into cot theta that is equals to 1. जैसे हम सीढ़ियाँ उतरते हैं वैसे ही याद रखना है, साइन थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय कॉस थीटा मीन्स साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा इज अ tan थीटा. हम स्टेप कैसे उतरते हैं, इस तरीके से, वैसे ही याद रखना है, साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा इज अ tan थीटा और कोसेक थीटा अपॉन सेक थीटा इज अ कॉट थीटा. हाउ टू, साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा इज अ tan थीटा, कोसेक थीटा अपॉन सेक थीटा इज अ कॉट थीटा. जैसे हम स्टेप्स चढ़ते हैं, कॉस थीटा अपॉन साइन थीटा दैट इज कॉट थीटा. अब हमने ऑर्डर चेंज किए हैं, कॉस थीटा अपॉन साइन थीटा इज अ कॉट थीटा, वैसे ही सेक थीटा अपॉन कोसेक थीटा इज अ टैन. कैसे याद रखना है, साइन अपॉन कॉस टैन, कोसेक अपॉन सेक कॉट, कॉस अपॉन साइन कॉट और सेक अपॉन कोसेक टैन. इज दैट क्लियर? इस सिंपल ट्रिक से आप सारे 19 फॉर्मूले याद रख सकते हो. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, एंड रिसाइट द फॉर्मूलेज.